Hi, Cody Waite here, Session 6 Sport Performance, demonstrating our 4-part plyometric box jump series that we use as a plyometric set in our strength training programs here at Session 6. What you're going to need is a plyometric box, somewhere between 8 and 20 inches in height. There are 4 movements to the set. We're going to start with a step up and depth jump as movement number 1. Then we move to a traditional box jump where you jump up onto the box, full hip extension at the top, and you step down. Movement number 3 is a rebounding box jump. So that's where you start on top of the box, jump down to the floor, and quickly rebound back to the top of the box. And then the 4th piece is a lateral box jump, where we'll go side to side as you do this. Depending on where you are with your plyometric training, anywhere between 6 to maybe 12 jumps per segment is a good range to start with. And as you progress, you can add more jumps or you can increase the box height. All right, so jump number 1 of the 4-part series is actually a step up on top of the box, and then you're going to step off and absorb the landing. It's a depth jump. So you're just going to step up and sink into it, absorb that landing. We want to keep our knees out. We don't want our knees coming in to really absorb that into a squat-like position. Now I like to just turn around, step up with the other leg, and then depth jump, absorbing that impact on the other side. So you'll go back and forth like 6 to 12 times. Jump number 2, or kind of progression number 2. You're going to start on the floor facing and do a traditional jump up onto the box, and then stand up, opening those hips, and then you're going to step backwards down to the floor, up, extend, and then step back with the other foot each time, alternating. That way you can stay nice and even that way, okay? Opposing which leg you step down. Number 3 is going to actually start on top of the box, and you're going to sort of step off behind, quickly rebounding off of the ground back up onto the box, really working that explosive, quick movement like this. So step off and just try to spring as quickly as you can off of the ground back up onto the box. And then the 4th in the 4-part series is the lateral. So these are going to be starting from the side of the box, and you're going to jump up. And you can either step down if you're comfortable with that, or if you want to add some speed, you can kind of jump down. The idea is side to side, get a little lateral movement. As endurance athletes, we spend most of our time going forward, so anytime we can add some lateral movement is certainly going to help offset any imbalances we might have. All right, as you can see, it kind of gets your heart rate up going. Great little piece right after your warm-up. Get some explosive movements from the plyometrics and help you really put that strength training you've been doing into place with some quick, powerful movements.